Hi, this is Lawrence Wilson back with you today for Online Learning Central. I'd like to share with you the CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus certification training program and related exams. Now, this is a fundamental introductory level training program for all of you interested in IT management and related services. Most likely you're recently out of school or you've been in the workplace for a few years, but you want to advance your career and boost your earnings income potential in IT, whether within a commercial organization or a government organization. Now, the two certification exams which comprise the IT Fundamentals Plus cert include what are referred to as FC0-U51 and separately U61. Now, there are 8 core training modules along with a free exam voucher that come as part of this particular training program. They include identifying computer hardware, identifying computer software, setting up a basic workstation or PC, which is really the focus of this particular program, configuring network access, working with files, folders, and applications on the workstation or PC, configuring and using wireless devices, as well as securing computing devices and supporting computers, users, and related troubleshooting. So as you can see, this is a very well-rounded introductory fundamentals program for all of you who want to launch your career in IT management and related services. To learn more, simply click on the link below the video. Our website has a full course curriculum, as well as how you can gain access once you register for the course to the free certification exam voucher. So take advantage of this resource. I wish you much success.